Comment down correct answer before showing. 1. India launched the Net Zero Innovation Virtual Center with which country? Option A USA, Option B UK, Option C Australia, Option D South Korea. Correct answer B UK. Notes: the India-UK Net Zero Innovation Virtual Center will be jointly created by the United Kingdom and India. It will help promote collaborations between stakeholders from India and the UK to work on focus areas like decarbonisation of manufacturing processes and transportation systems, green hydrogen adoption and more. Comment down correct answer before showing. 2. Which union ministry launched the City Beauty Competition portal? Option A Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs, Option B Ministry of Rural Development, Option C Ministry of Home Affairs, Option D Ministry of Tourism. Correct answer Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs. Notes: the City Beauty Competition portal was launched by the Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs to encourage and recognize the efforts taken by cities and wards to create beautiful and inclusive public spaces. The wards and public spaces in cities would be adjudged in the competition based on the 5 broad pillars: accessibility, amenities, activities, aesthetics and ecology. Comment down correct answer before showing. 3. Which institution launched the Preparedness and Resilience for Emerging Threats PRET initiative? Option A UNICEF, Option B IMF, Option C WHO, Option D WEF. Correct answer C WHO. Notes: the World Health Organization WHO launched the Preparedness and Resilience for Emerging Threats PRET initiative. This initiative will ensure better preparedness against future outbreaks like the COVID-19 pandemic. The initiative was announced at the Global Meeting for Future Respiratory Pathogen Pandemics held in Geneva. Comment down correct answer before showing. 4. When is the World Day for Safety and Health at Work observed? Option A April 23rd, Option B April 26th, Option C April 28th, Option D April 30th. Correct answer C April 28th. Notes: World Day for Safety and Health at Work is observed on April 28th. The theme for this year is A Safe and Healthy Working Environment as a Fundamental Principle and Right at Work. In June 2022, the International Labour Conference ILC decided to include a safe and healthy working environment in the ILO's framework of fundamental principles and rights at work. Comment down correct answer before showing. 5. Which tribe is playing a major role in Protect Hornbills Project? Option A Naishi tribe, Option B Baiga tribe, Option C Bodo tribe, Option D Bhil tribe. Correct answer Naishi tribe. Notes: Protect Hornbills Project is a community-driven project aimed at conserving hornbills. Naishi tribe is playing a major role in this initiative. Hornbill Nest Adoption Program HUNP, a community-based hornbill conservation program, was started in 2012. HUNP operates in the forests outside Arunachal Pradesh's Pakke Tiger Reserve.